Hello guys, welcome to Geeks Code Coding Series.
I am Vaishali Anand and today's aim is merging two lists with odd even conditions.
So let's start writing our program, but before that we will see what will be our input and output. Our input will be two lists and the output will be merged list, only single list with odd numbers from first list and even numbers from second list. That's clear? So let's start defining our function for the same. Our function name will be merge list and L will be capital, IST will be smaller, and we have two inputs, list1 comma list2. Now we will print a list. So print first list is and comma list1. Similarly, we will print our second list, print and second list is, and we are going to print our list2. After we have printed both, we will define another list, the third list, or we can say list3, and we will define it as empty now, and then we will run a for loop for num in list1. So for each number in list1, what to do? We will check if the number is divisible by 2 or not. So if the number mod 2, that is number is divisible by 2, and then we have not equal 0. That is, the number should not be divisible by 2 because we are taking odd numbers from this list. So number should not be divisible by 2. If this is so, we will append that in our list3. List3 dot append, and the value inside brackets will be number. Now again another for loop, but it will be for num in list2. So in list2, what to do? If now here we are taking the even number, so we will say that they are equal to 0. Their mod is equal to 0. Num mod 2 equals 0. If this is so, then list3 dot append and num. So here we have merged our list, and now the final task is to display that. So we are going to return list3. Let's run it, no error. Now what's our next task is to give some value to this list. So I think I can initialize it here only, no need to take input and all. So list1 equals, let it be 10, 20, 23, 11, 17, and list2 will be 10, no 13, I will take 13, 43, 24, 36, and 12. After we have defined both these lists, now the final task is to call our function so that we can see our output. Calling function. So for that we will write print, and the result is, or the result list is, and what is this? It is list3, but we are calling the function is, so merge what we defined as our function, merge list. So merge list, and parameters will be list1 comma list 2. Let's run it. See, our first list was this, second is this, and they have merged, and we have got odd numbers in our first list and even from our second list. So our program is running correct. You can see the program, refer the program again if you want. That's all for today. Thank you and happy learning.